In this video, I'll exactly explain you how you can copy trade by using this social trading feature of pocket option in a profitable way. See, if you randomly copy people that show in this inside this social trading tab, then you are going to make loss. So watch this video very carefully if you want to make this kind of profit by simply copying trades. Or let's say you want to make this kind of profit today, yesterday, and in all time, then you need to watch this video very carefully because I am going to explain you the required thing that you need to understand and then implement to make profitable copy trading in pocket option. So firstly, please do like this video. It will help me a lot and it will help other people also who need this kind of video to do copy trading. So firstly, you need to understand one thing, that is you need to find a user ID who trades same amount regularly. For example, as you can see here, only $200 per trade is being made. That doesn't mean you just need to copy this whole amount. Okay, you can copy whatever amount you want, but you need to find a user ID that just makes trade of same amount in every trade. Otherwise, you can't be profitable with copy trading. I mean, the chances will be extremely low. So firstly, you just source from these people who have been making trade in same amount. Okay, let's say you found out that person, for example this one. I will also tell you how you can find that person who makes minimum and maximum trade amount same in every trade. I'll tell you how you can find that, but firstly let me explain you how copy trading works. Let's say this is the ID that makes same amount of trade, and you just click on copy, and then let's say he makes $200 per trade and you want to copy the whole amount, $200 per trade, and you can leave it 100 and remove this stop balance. Because what I have noticed is those who use this stop balance, they do not copy all of the trades because of some problem, I guess. So you can put the actual amount here, whatever amount you want to risk to do copy trading, that much amount you can put. Like if you want to just risk $1,000, then you can just put $1,000 at here and do not use any stop balance at here. That is my suggestion. You need to follow it, otherwise you will not be able to copy all of the trade that the traders make. Okay, and in minimum copy trade amount you just leave one. Okay, and in maximum copy trade amount you leave unlimited. Now why unlimited? Because the person who trades the same amount will be trading on that amount only. So if you leave it unlimited, then there will be no any problem. Okay, or if you fear like this person may trade $1,000 in some trade and make loss, then if you have that kind of fear, then you can just put $300 so that the bigger amount trade will not be copied in your account. You can do this much and then just click on confirm. It is as simple as that. So for now, let's remove this. Okay, so let's say you found an user ID that make $200 per trade and you just want to copy $100 per trade, then just make it 50%, and then you will copy $100 per trade if that person makes $200 per trade. Let's say if you have small account and you just want to copy $200 per trade, sorry, $2 per trade, and the person who trades $200 per trade, if you are copying it, then just make it 1% and you will only be making $2 per trade. In this way you can do this copy trading setting and just click on confirm and you are done. So now let's talk about how you can find out the user ID that have been making same amount of trade in all the trades. Now there are two ways to do so. Firstly, you just come to this social trading and search for this person if you can find, if someone is doing that. Okay, here you can see I have seen here someone is making $35 per trade, but do check their all-time status, and here you can see minus $288, so it is not worth copying. So you can find other person who is doing the same thing. Here you can see max trade $1, sorry, max trade $50, min trade $1. Just ignore it and keep on finding. Okay, you can find this kind of person, but there will always be a risk of like they may trade higher amount or lower amount in this way. Okay, let's see the all-time status is profitable. Yes, it is good profit, but again the problem is max trade and minimum trade. So let's say he made a profit of $5 by making 6 trades at year and then he made a loss of $766, then you will be in a huge loss. Okay, that's why it is not worth copying this kind of account. So now you can still go this route and find out that kind of account. If you are lucky, you can find it and you can start to copy that. Or if you want the shortcut, then you can see this is one of my VIP copy trader account who have just started to copy me 4 days ago, and he have already made $2,246 in profit by simply copying my trade. And yesterday he made $534 profit. Today he made $652 profit, and here you can see 83% win rate, 100% win rate, and in all time he have 79% win rate. So if you want to copy my trades directly in your account, and if you want to get these kind of results, then I will give a free Telegram link in the description of this YouTube video. Click on it and join it. And in that free Telegram channel, you will see the instruction on how you can join my VIP copy trading channel. So I'll see you inside. Bye bye.